y'all, welcome back to Carmen Talks a Lot. Today we are going to be cleaning out and organizing my refrigerator. We just moved into our new house in January, so I haven't moved any shelves or done any organizing, and as you can see, it is desperately needed. We're showing you two items that I got at Target today. So this one right here is a longer rectangular bin, and this one was $9. And the other one, I got two of these. They are a little bit more of a short and wide bin, and these were each $8. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take everything out. I wanted to remove that one shelf to give myself some space for taller items.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the...
I'm going to be using the thieves cleaner today in my refrigerator, and this main shelf, as you can see, there was a coffee spill, and I'm going to clean that up first.
Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out.
I had to let that cleaner sit for a little bit and then go ahead and scrub it one more time. I'm not sure if you saw, but there is still some tape from when we got the refrigerator installed, so I went ahead and grabbed that. Here I'm just clearing off this next shelf, and a little bit later in the video you will see that this shelf gave me a whole lot of trouble.
To wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow.
This was the point after I finally figured out what I was doing wrong and fixed it so it wouldn't keep collapsing on me. So now that the main part of the refrigerator that needed to be cleaned is clean, I'm just going to start taking everything else out and rearranging.
If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help.
I did try to get the sticker off of these clear bins, but it was just going to be a task for another day because it was slowing me down.
Try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Is anyone else obsessed with coffee the way I am? Because we just got an espresso and it has changed my life.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cables.
Having the labels all facing the same direction is something that brings me a lot of joy, even though it does take a couple extra minutes.
You're my only lifeline.
Throughout this video, I had to keep opening and closing the refrigerator to keep it cold because then the sensor would go off. Here I'm just checking the expiration dates of our cheese drawer. My fiance is obsessed with cheese, so we have a large variety of cheeses.
bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easy.
As you can see here, something had spilled down the side of the fridge and it was actually pretty stuck on there, so I sprayed and tried to use a paper towel, but as you can see, I ended up having to go grab my little razor blade that I use for my cooktop to scrape it out. This video did actually take me 2 days because I realized I did need some more of these clear bins. I ordered some on Target Pickup and got 5 more bins, and I thought I was getting the long and skinny ones, but it ended up being I was getting some of the short and wide and then another version of the short and wide that's even wider, but they all worked out in the end.
The cable's short and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Here's where I put the sauces and some condiments and then juices or drinks. On the other side, I have the bottom section is dairy, and then the middle section is the condiments that we use most frequently, and then the top is for butter. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.